Y'all, look how cute this little leopard Santa Claus is. Y'all, for this wreath, we are only going to use one roll of 10-inch mesh. So we're going to take these and we're going to cut 20 at 10 inches. We're going to take our 2 curls and we're going to get the outside of our frame prepared. All right. Y'all, on the outside, we're going to take 2 of our 10-inch pieces. We're going to curl them up. You're going to make it into an X. And you're going to add one of these all the way around the bottom of the frame. Now, the trick on this one is to not roll them up like taquitos and make them burritos. Y'all, if you make the curls too tight, you're not going to get the coverage that you're looking for. Now, I should have just enough mesh left to cut 8 20-inch pieces. But we're going to err on the side of caution, and we're going to cut them anywhere between 18 and 20. All right. Now, we're going to take our 20-inch cut, and we're going to curl it once on each end. Then we're going to just ruffle it right down the middle. And we're going to add our little bow tie around the top of the frame in all of these twists. Get it nice and tight. And it's just going to sit right on top of those like that. It doesn't matter if you put your ruffles upside down or right side up. There's no wrong or right way to do it. All right, and you can see we still have a nice thick wreath. It's nice and full. Yo, let's prep our sign next. All right, I'm gonna use our mounting squares. All right, just get a little bit of glue. Four dabs around it. Y'all, anytime you use mounting squares, make sure you add your glue. After you add your glue, make sure you take your hot glue and glue around the edge. So the super glue is going to keep the foam on the wood, and then the hot glue is going to keep the foam on the plastic. All right, we're going to let this sit for just a second so that can dry. While we're waiting on that, we're going to make our bow. Y'all, we're going to do about a 12-inch tail. I'm going to make that loop about 6.5 or 7 inches. All right, we're gonna make this loop slightly smaller than the other one. The 4-inch is going to be a smaller loop than the other two. And then I'm just going to use my red one more time. Center loop. Gonna tie this off. Gonna grab some pipe cleaners. Gonna tie this off. All right, now on this one, I am going to put this part of the sign about halfway through my wreath. So just wrapping the pipe cleaner around the frame. Then I'm gonna add my bow down here to kind of fill in this little gap. So I'm just wrapping the pipe cleaner around the frame. Let's get all these dovetailed. All right, y'all, now we're just gonna add our tails. We're gonna start with our base tails. All right, so we need 10 around the base for sure. Y'all, if you don't have a ribbon cutting board, just measure them out to 13 inches. Gonna get them nice and dovetailed. So I'm gonna take my 2.5, my 1.5, and then my little skinny ribbon, layer them all up. Fold them in half. Give it a good pinch. And then we're gonna add this all the way around our frame. Then we're just going to spread our little tails out. And we're gonna do that all the way around the base. All right, so we're just gonna do that over and over again. 3 ribbons are good. I just would not add 3 thick ribbons. All right, so we've got our ribbon tails all the way around the outside. Now we're just going to add our ribbon tails around these at the top. So we've got 6 that are showing, 7, all 8 are showing. All right, let's cut our 8 of these at 12. All right, 8 of these, and we're done with our ribbon tails. We're going to Fold these over. And add these all the way around. Do we have a YouTube? You can find me at Deco Exchange on every social media platform out there. We're on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest. And we've got a fun little leopard ribbon wreath for Christmas. I would tilt mine just like this. Well, not that much of a tilt. He's not drunk.